So
Go
the
ahead.
outer join is if we want to get all the data like matches or unmatches, whatever. If we want to get the data of between the two tables, we can use the outer join. It's you can say outer join or join, the same thing. So like just simply here select everything from companies. Then here you can put here full outer join. Okay, full outer join. Then if you run this, so it will show you all the data between two tables. Okay, there is no matching or unmatching. It's nothing. It will show you all the data of the between the two tables. And if you want to put any condition here, like where equal to, let's say name. Sorry, where name equal to TS for you, something like this. And if you run this, so it's showing you only one because we have only this TS for you. We have only one on data. Okay.
But from the both
So,
table.
yep. See, and under this TS for you, here you can see under this TS for you, this is the manager shah@example.com. See, so that means between these two table, you are getting the data that who is under this TS for your company. Okay.